you guys. So in this video, I was attempting to do a fall eye tutorial and it went wrong. This whole makeup tutorial went wrong. If you ever had a day where you was having a bad makeup day, where everything that you was doing, that you was putting on was just going all bad, well, this is it. I'm going to use ramp time and speed this up for you guys so you don't have to sit through all of my mistakes. But I've never had a makeup day like this before. Never have I ever had a makeup day like this before. All types of stuff went wrong. And I wanted to leave it enough for you guys so you guys can see that just because something messed up does not mean that you still can't come out with a great look. I still came out with a great look, but baby, it was a struggle today. So let's get into that. All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to do fall look number 2. All right, so but before I get into that, I want to let you guys know that this benefit precisely my brow. Like, I messed up this eyebrow, but it wasn't because of this. It was just me and the concealer was going crazy. Ignore my brows today. I'm not gonna fix it. But this is the truth. ABH who? Color Girl who? This is gonna be on sale for the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. I recommend you guys getting this. This thing is so pigmented. I love it way better than I love the ABH one. I've been using it now for a little while, and I can tell you I've used it enough to let you guys know. First of all, this packaging is amazing. Look at this packaging. Like, I just love this. It's like you can point at stuff. It's like a little wand. But I love this packaging. It does have the spoolie on the end. So I'm gonna be picking up some more of these from the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale. I'm gonna get a backup of this one. This one is in the shade I want to say it's in like the deepest shade. It's in the shade, it's 4.5. So it's in the shade 4.5. So anyway, so let's get into this look. I already primed my eyelids, and I did go ahead and set them. But for this look today, we're going to be using the Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions. I think I'm going to go, I don't know if I'm going to go into this black or this brown. But we're also going to be using this Stila Vivid Smoky Quartz. I'm going to swatch this for you guys because I haven't used this. This was a TJ Maxx find, and I've been wanting to use it. Ignore all the stuff I got in my hand. It's from, but look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I think I'm going to go with that black. So we're going to go do that black and kind of like smoke it out a little bit. And then we're going to go with this shimmer. So that's what we're going to do today. Okay, you guys, right about here is when I realized that that other eye wasn't working and that I needed to go in that color with a brown instead of a black. So this is me doing the other eye. My plan was I was going to do the other eye, wipe off the bad eye, and then come back and then just be like, I already did this eye, so I'm going to do this eye on camera. But I mean, even after this, stuff just still kept. Okay guys, as you can see, one eye is already done. I'm gonna go in and I'm going to set this lid. Honestly, I had to scrap that whole look I was going to do for you guys and do something else with it. So I went ahead and did this eye because this eye is the eye I jacked up, and I had to restore. Honestly, that's the first time that I could not make a look work. When you put that black in there, it just, that black, you can't really fix it. I couldn't fix it. That black is permanent. Guys, I'm just recreating that look that I got on that one eye over here on this other eye. This look came out so much better than what I was doing with that black. I guess just that black and that Stila didn't just, that color just wasn't going together. But I'm gonna let you guys know that Stila, that shimmer shadow, it's a really good shimmer shadow, but I'm not going to be purchasing any more of those. I mean, it shows up great. I mean, it's a nice, right? It's nice. I found those at TJ Maxx. If I find some more at TJ Maxx, I might pick up some more of their shimmers. But honestly, you could just use your shimmers in your palettes, or make it easier to work with regarding beginners. Okay, because if I messed up my eyeshadow look, because I was just gonna do a fall eyeshadow tutorial with you guys, I decided to extend this look and just do a full face with you guys. So we did a full face. I'm gonna do a full face of makeup with cream contour. You're gonna see how I did my concealers, but let you guys know that the mistakes in this video are far from over. So much stuff is gonna go wrong, just to let you know. Keep watching. So with that Tatcha primer, you guys, you have to make sure that you press it into your skin so it can get into those pores and it will like smooth and blur them. So if you see me like patting in it, just really make sure you want to press that Tatcha primer in the skin really well. brighter than the other one. So I'm just using 2 different foundations. I think a total of 4 pumps between both of them. Between like both of them. Boy, did y'all see my face when I put that foundation over my eyebrow? I was like, I'm over this, but I kept on going, trying to make you guys a good video. But that brush, that is cosmetic brush. It blends like a dream. I love it. Okay guys, if I had not have sped this video up, it would have been so long. But I had to speed it up for you guys, so you guys won't be sick through this super long video, because so much bad things kept happening. But I was like, I'm gonna post this video how it is. I'm not gonna edit too much. I'm gonna let you guys see that if you struggle, that you're not the only person who have a struggle, and that you can come back and fix it. That's me applying my concealer and the shade, I think that's the butterscotch one. We're also going to get into some cream contour. I'm going to use that ABH cream contour palette that I picked up at TJ Maxx. Please shop TJ Maxx for discount prices. Even my cream contour wasn't doing good. I couldn't find the perfect brush to blend it out. I was over this video, but I was like, I'm going to continue. I'm going to persevere for my subscribers, so they know if they ever have a struggle with doing their makeup one day, that they can still just persevere and come out with a good look. But I hope you guys really enjoy it. I'm just blending out that cream contour the best I can. You can see me going back and forth between like a few different brushes, just to kind of try to get it blended good. But you know, I'm having a struggle here. You may not can't tell, but I'm definitely having a struggle here. Decided not to play any games to become this in my face, because I've already had it with the trouble. So I went in with the Laura Mercier. I wasn't trying it with a different brand, with a different powder, and I just decided I'm not gonna play no more games with this. I'm gonna get this look together and get it together quick. So I went in with my Laura Mercier, my Holy Grail, and it just helped bring that look together. It helped make me feel better because it's a comfortable product. I'm used to using it, and I'm like, I'm over the game. So I'm going to hit this Laura Mercier. Baby, we're not playing. We're going to go with this Charlotte Tilbury. We're going to go in here. We're about to slay this look. We're about to come out with a banging look regardless of what happened. Now, don't get me wrong. Stay tuned, because there are still some more mess ups. But I'm pulling it together, baby. I'm pulling it together. I'm about to slay this look. And we about to use my good products. I was looking for my Tarte brush, couldn't find it, so I went to 88. But we're not playing today. We're gonna pull this face together. Yes, we are. I'm just trying to get it together, you guys. I'm just gonna go all out, do a full look to my subscribers. I'm gonna show you guys that we can pull off mess ups. This may be the worst makeup tutorial ever, but I promise you, we're gonna come out super cute though. Okay guys, right here I didn't add any music, but I just want to let you guys know that I did at first put on a bright red shade that did not go that look at all, and then I went back in and I decided to put this on, so I didn't add that clip. I just skipped over it because it was just a clip, and I just put this clip in with the correct shade, but just so you know that multiple mistakes were made making this look for you guys. But I hope you enjoyed this video and it's entertaining to you guys. Alright guys, I am back with the final look. So this is a fall tutorial. It was a full glam video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe. Do not forget about the Instagram page. Please come on over. Follow me on the Instagram page. I got lots of goodies already there for you guys, just waiting on you to come see them. So come on, let's see them.